Welcome to Production Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get a live band mix in shape using 4 plugins in Waves CLA Signature Series. These are, in effect, channel strip plugins, but they do away with complicated controls. As you can see here, we've got a bank of faders and controls that perform particular purposes, such as compression or EQ or effects. And each of these provide a small selection up here of different flavors that we can toggle between very easily by clicking on this yellow button on the labels themselves. So in this first episode, we're going to be taking a look at mixing some drums using Waves CLA drums, of course. So let's put it to work and hear what it can do. But first, let's take a quick listen to the drums in isolation. You know, they sound all right, but I think we can add a bit more edge, something to bring out that snare a bit more, focus that kick drum. It's first important to note that if we just take the instance we have here on the overheads out of bypass, that we have this indicator light on the left here. Now what we want is to get the input sensitivity right to get this plugin to work at its best. So to do that, we just want to increase the level here on the input, just so it's sort of not living in the yellow, but it's definitely going there between the green and the yellow. Might need to compensate that a little bit over here on the output. But that's pretty much it, other than setting this little dial up here appropriately. So for overheads, kick for kicks, snare, toms, you get the idea, rooms, even a cowbell. Who records a cowbell? Anyway, let's see what this can do in the context of the drums that we've got going here. Must admit, it doesn't sound great out of the box. Now that's because we've got this gate here. Seems to be on. Don't think we need that, personally, so let's turn that off. Sounds a bit sweeter. We've got reverb here. It's on studio. Let's increase it. It's nice, it's sweet sounding. Compression, we've already got some compression going. Just bring that up. We can really push that if we wanted to. Sounds good. Let's move across to the kick drum. Got this selected on kick. Increase the sensitivity. Balance that down a bit. Again, I'm going to turn the gate off. I don't think it's adding anything to this. Push the treble. Nice, it sounds a bit more defined. Again, compression. Put it on spank. Can bring the reverb down. Don't think we need it. Sounds okay. Let's move across to the snare. You can hear how the tone just changed immediately when we took it out of bypass. Again, just going to kill that gate. Try a different type of reverb on the snare. Sounds okay. Maybe it's a bit too bright. Okay, now let's have a little go with the floor tom, see what we can do there. Take it out of bypass. I'm going to keep the gate in on this, turn a few of these things off as I don't think we need much on that tom. Yeah, it's maybe a bit too quick. Let's just bring that fader down on that gate. That feels better. Okay, so far that's sounding pretty good. In the next episode, we're going to incorporate the bass, followed by the guitar and the vocals in this. So be sure to check out that episode. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.